Headache is one of these common diseases that cost a lot of money to treat. Due to the city life and its high noise, many nervous pressures are imposed on people. Improper nutrition and insufficient knowledge of mental and physical condition have caused many problems for a wide range of people. In all types of headaches, the following general precautions can help reduce your headaches. Leftovers and frozen foods. Factory prepared foods, canned goods, factory compotes and factory snacks, cakes, biscuits, chips, puffs, industrial fruit juices. Sweets and chocolates containing colors and industrial preservatives. Using sheep meat and birds such as young chicken, quail, partridge and soy instead of beef and veal. Smelling fragrant things like narcissus and basil in cold weather and cucumber and watermelon in warm weather. Avoiding rubbing and massaging the temples and head and face during headache. Headaches that can be caused by various problems. In a headache caused by a cold, cover your head with a hat or a handkerchief to keep it warm. It is especially useful when you are sleeping, when facing the cold and leaving the bathroom. In the case of headaches caused by improper sitting, it is enough to correct your sitting posture and massage the spine to improve it. For headache caused by sunlight, put a cloth in a mixture of vinegar and very cold water, then take the water and put the cloth on the head for 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video. I hope that the things I said will cure your headache. Don't forget to like and subscribe.